Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to send photos and videos from Sony camera to mobile. So if you are a beginner at Sony camera, then I'll show you how can you use your Sony camera to send your photos and video you have recently clicked on your camera and don't know or have no idea how to send it to your mobile. On PC it's very straightforward. Just connect you buy a USB cable camera to the PC and just browse your photos and videos. But on mobile, if you want to send your photos from, and you have only one option to send your photos and videos via wireless option. So I'll show you how can you use your Wi-Fi to send your photos and videos from camera to your smartphone. So before starting, if new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So guys, first of all, on your smartphone you have to open Play Store and just install this application called Imaging Each. Install this application on your smartphone. Once you install it, it's very straightforward. Just open this application and it asks you to first of all you choose your country. So you have to choose your country from here, and after that you have to tap on this agree and proceed. After this you have to tap on this now option, and here you have to agree this agreement. Tap on this agree and start the application, and now it will ask you to sign in. I will skip it. It will ask you these questions. So now once you here guys, you just need to choose your camera model. So I'll choose it model other than, and after this you have to guys now tap on this camera connection and registration. Just tap on OK. Now you have to open your camera. So right now I'm recording this video using that camera. Now on camera guys, you have to go to gallery and choose your image that you want to send. So you can directly tap on this function key over here to send your photos and image. And now you have to choose the image. If you want to select multiple images, you have to select this option, multiple images. Like I'm gonna choose multiple image from here. I want to send these two videos, and once you're confirmed, just tap on this menu button over here, and now you have to guys tap on enter. Now you have to use this SSID, or you have to enter this SSID on your app. You can directly scan this QR code from your mobile, and you will be able to connect your camera to your smartphone, or you can connect with your password as well. You have to tap on delete keyword or delete button, and you will get the SSID and the password you have to enter on your camera app, and you will be able to connect your smartphone to the camera via Wi-Fi. So you have both options, QR code and the Wi-Fi app. So guys, once you open the application, once you are done with the setup, now you have to tap on this camera connection and registration option. Tap on it and just tap on this scan QR code, and it will ask you to use your camera. Just tap on this OK button and just allow camera, and now you have to I'll go back. So I have to keep this QR code in the middle, so you can see I have to tap on this OK button, and now it will ask me to connect the Wi-Fi to this SSID. I need to select it, and the file we have connected to the same Wi-Fi, so don't show me again, and tap on OK, and your file will start sending on your smartphone. So you have both options. You can connect using SSID. You can connect your Sony camera to smartphone via QR code. It's QR code is very convenient to use. Hope you like it guys, and that's how you can send it. Thanks for watching.